Hello guys, this is Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope you guys are doing well. Doing a kind of a late video, and starting off with the Ford Mustang GT, Shelby GT 500, and this is actually a part of American Muscle, and I couldn't put all the American Muscles out because I'd be here all night, so I just threw in a bunch. So we're going to start off with the Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500. Great looking casting, and this is the first one, and let's go to the next one, guys. Next one, Ford Thunderbolt, and this is the most recent one this year of the Hot Wheels 2020. And I have two of these actually opened because I wasn't paying attention about it. And this one's just absolutely gorgeous. I love the color. Light blue tint windows, real sweet casting. Absolutely love this, Laura. Such a great casting. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Next one, 61 Chevy Impala. They're great looking casting. I got a lot of compliments on this this Impala because of the color purple. A lot of people like this one. Definitely a favorite of my collection. I have Chevy Impalas, and I think I have like 5 or 6 in my collection. 65, it has all that tattoo and artwork stuff on it. I don't like bringing them out. Alright guys, go next one. 70 Plymouth Roadrunner. Newest one to my collection. Oops, sorry guys. There we go. Yeah, it's the newest casting of my collection. Plymouth Roadrunner. And it's just such a great looking casting. I love these Roadrunners. And pretty sweet. Color fits it so good. Alright guys, one more time around. Go to the next one. Alright guys, here we go. Next one. Next one's Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. It's a great looking casting. I like the yellow. Definitely American Muscle all the way. Just such a great looking casting. I couldn't bring out all the cars tonight because I wanted to add some Torinos and several other cars. My Dodge Coronet, older model one, and just couldn't fit everything in. It just take too long. Alright guys, go to the next one. There we go. 1970 Buick GS X. This is absolutely gorgeous. Love bringing this one out. Such a great looking casting. car just looks so good. This is one of my favorites in my main line collection. Man, it's just so gorgeous. Red just fits this car perfect. Alright guys, one more time around. Now we'll go to the next one. Alright guys, here we go. 67 Chevy Camaro. Yeah, this one's a real sweet looking casting. This is actually the following year. Hot Wheels came out, and this was part of the Sweet 16 original Hot Wheels that came out. Red lines on it. And I have several of these in my collection. I'm really grateful to have, because I love my Chevy Camaros. Alright guys, one more time around. We'll go to the next one. Alright guys. Next one, Dodge Coronet Super B. Oops, sorry guys, there we go. She is gorgeous. Actually a Walmart exclusive. It's got the white and yellow flames on it, yellow tinted windows, red loop around the rims. It's a great looking casting. It's definitely one of my favorite Dodge Coronet Super Bs. I have the blue one with the stars and stripes, and another one, so I have like 4 or 5 in my collection. Alright guys, one more time around. We'll go to the next one. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. '66 Dodge Charger 383. Gorgeous looking casting. Oh, sorry guys, a little tired. And it's pretty sweet looking. I really enjoy this casting a lot. I have a light blue one just exactly like it, except for it's light blue. And just, I really enjoy these older Dodge Chargers. Great looking. Alright guys, go to the next one. Next one, 1970 Chevy 396 or SS 396. Another great American muscle. My favorite muscle car. This one just absolutely gorgeous. I love bringing this one out. Just, fire engine red, black racing stripes, deep dish rims on it. Gosh, this is so nice. Real riders. Detail is just incredible. I think Hot Wheels did an excellent job on this. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. We got 3 left. Alright guys, 1970 Dodge Challenger. Go ahead and open the hood on this one. Yeah, it's a 1970 Dodge Challenger. Great American muscle. And this one, and I have a 32 Ford Roadster. Both of these came in the oil can series, both limited of 15,000. I still have the oil can for this one, or the package I should say that it came in. That's just absolutely gorgeous casting. Love this Dodge Challenger as well. It's got such great detail to it. And a lot of compliments on this one as well. Alright guys, go to the next one. Okay, and here's the deal. 65 Ford Galaxie 500. Now, the reason I put this one out, yes, it's a muscle car and it's a great classic. The year I was born, 1965. And it's a great casting. It's part of the 50th, Hot Wheels 50th favorites. It's just so beautiful, just very well made. And it is just absolutely gorgeous. I get a lot of compliments on this one too. I know a few of you guys have this in your collection. Well, alright guys, now this one and the next one have a lot to do with my birthday. Okay, here we go. Here we go guys, last one of the night. 55 Chevy Belair Gasser. 55 is my age now. I turned 55 on the West Coast tomorrow, at midnight. So, car before this, 65, year I was born, and this is my age. So, I feel great for my age. I really do. I feel wonderful. I'm very grateful for my age, and it's awesome. Another year older. I'm grateful to make it this far. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, please subscribe. I'm at 268 subscribers. I'm 32 away from 300, and like I said, I'll be doing a really nice giveaway for somebody. So I will be doing a drawing, and anyway guys, hope you guys have a good night, be good to each other, be well, and I'll be talking to you guys real soon. This is Mike from Nitro Speed. I'm out of here. See ya.